Welcome to another update via the Force 13 Australia Oceania channel, and in this update we have a look at ex-tropical cyclone Iris. This is the life of the ex-cyclone up to 4 hours ago, and is located near 14.5 degrees south, 154.2 degrees east. Upgraded or updated position is 12.7 south, 153.5 degrees east. It's about 513 nautical miles east northeast of Cairns. The satellite imagery depicts scattered convection directly over defined but broad low level circulation centre. A 85 gigahertz microwave image shows broad low-level structure embedded in troughing. The remnant 17P experiencing moderate to high 15-25 knots vertical wind shear but strong divergence aloft, aided by a poleward outflow channel supporting convection. Sea surface temperature is around 27 to 29 Celsius and are also conducive to development. Global models predict remnant 17P turning southwest, redeveloping into a tropical cyclone in the next several days, though not all maintain the circulation. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated 20 to 25 knots, and minimum sea level pressure estimated to be around 1004 millibars. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre keeps it as medium. Now here's some tracks. This is the EPS track guidance. Tropical cyclone 3-day outlook, Coral Sea, which will be updated around 14:30 hours this afternoon. At 1 PM yesterday, ex-tropical cyclone Iris was situated in the Coral Sea, about 950 kilometres east-northeast of Cairns. Late cycle intensity guidance, one is indicating a possible Cat 1 system. And this is the current track chart for tropical cyclone Kenny. And somehow that is two images got into this update, never mind. And here are the NOAA floaters. On ex-tropical cyclone Kenny. Now referring back to the current information from the Bureau of Meteorology, ex-tropical cyclone expected to move slowly to the north over the next day or so before beginning to move slowly westward on Thursday. The system is expected to maintain or remain off the Queensland coast during the outlook periods. Conditions should become somewhat more favourable for the system to redevelop from today. However, the Bureau has very low percentages for today, tomorrow and Friday. They upgraded to moderate. Now here's precipitable water. Pivotal weather website, it's a GFS model, and the scale is at the bottom of the screen. We also have a hazardous surf warning in place for the Byron Goths, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Bateman's and Eden's case. Now again we look at pressure and wind. New South Wales has a strong wind warning for the Goths, Macquarie, Hunter case. Queensland also has a hazardous surf warning for the Sunshine Coast and Gold Coast waters extending to Fraser, Iron and waters to Mai. Tropical cyclone formation probability guide. The Bureau of Meteorology also has a hazardous surf warning in place for the Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast waters. Now we look at the 12-hourly rainfall. Again, it's the forward motion across the next 4 days. Victoria has a fire weather warning for the Mallee and Wimmera forecast districts. I've also got a marine wind warning for the west central Gippsland coast. Bureau of Meteorology down there in Victoria has about half an hour ago issued a top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds for the northeast central east Gippsland, southwest north central west and south Gippsland forecast districts. Damaging north to northwesterly winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour expected to develop about elevated parts in the rest of the warning area later tonight, extending to remaining elevated parts of the warning area early Thursday morning. Himalaya 8 satellite view about the Alpine region above 1200 metres. Peak gusts may reach 120 kilometres an hour. Now we look at the total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. Locations which may be affected include Kyneton, Dalesford, Mount Ball Ball, Mount Butler, Hawthorn and Falls Creek. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and again it's blue through to a red. We will continue to bring updated information, and sometime later today we'll have a look at the outgoing tropical cyclone Kenny. And here's Nathan.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.